Frog Brings Rain by Joseph Bruchac. This story, boys and girls, is a traditional tale. It's a very, very old story that has been passed down generation to generation. Traditional tales that started a really, really long time ago often tell about how something in nature came to be. So a really, really long time ago, they didn't know why things in nature happened the way they did. So they would make up stories to explain what happened in nature when they didn't really know what was happening. This tale comes all the way from Arizona and New Mexico. It's from the people, the Diné people or the Navajo Indians. Okay, so let's see. The story happens when a fire starts and comes towards the people's homes. Long ago, fire escaped and spread down the mountain towards the homes of the first people. Cardinal, that's the red bird, Cardinal flew to first woman. Look, he said, fire is coming. I flew too close. It turned my feathers red. What can we do? First woman asked. Water will put out fire, first man said. First woman made a bottle of reeds and clay. She filled it with water. Who will take this to fire? She asked. First woman asked the hunting people. Who will take water to fire? Bear and bobcat, wolf and mountain lion would not help. See, bear and bobcat, wolf and mountain lion are all hunters. That's why she called them the hunting people. Those animals are hunters. And what did they say when she asked them to help? They said no. So first woman asked the water people, who will take water to fire? Snail in his spring said he was too slow. Otter and beaver, muskrat and mink said their river needed water. Without it, their home would go dry. Then all would be desert. So the otter, the beaver, the muskrat, and the mink, they live in a river. And when first woman asked for help, they all said no. So finally, first woman asked Frog, who was in a swamp. Frog soaked up some water from the swamp with his coat, and then White Crane, that's this big bird right here, the White Crane carried him over the fire. Frog shed the water, and on the north side of the mountain, it fell as black rain. On the south side of the mountain, it was blue rain. On the east side, it fell as white rain. On the west side, it was yellow rain. Water put out fire. Then Frog and Crane returned home. Clouds of 4 colors hung over the land. Black clouds hung over the north, white clouds over the east, blue clouds over the south, and yellow clouds over the west. To this day, Frog remains in his swamp. With his song, hum, hum, he calls to those clouds to bring rain back to the land.